Hey, Holistic Health Crusaders. Dr. Wren here. I know you haven't heard that in a while, and that's because I've just been busy behind the scenes, but I'm ready to step back out into the spotlight. And I thought I'd do a few quick videos on all the things that I've been implementing into my holistic lifestyle lately. And tonight, I would like to unbox my juice bar in a bag to see what we've got. So as much of a fan as I am about harvesting organic, fresh fruits and vegetables to juice, you know, there's always the balance to that. There's the juicer and the cleanup and all the things. Well, I happen to be a fan of Purium. I've done their transformation, the 10 and 30 day multiple times. Even interviewed David Sandoval, the founder, years ago for my IMDb listed public access television show that I used to host. And yeah, I figured I would try this out because we know that their products are super bioavailable, nutrient dense, and even help to detoxify things like glyphosate, etc. in the body, which I feel in working with people to create a nutritional regimen and holistic lifestyle approach sometimes is the reason people just can't lose those last 10 pounds, no matter how hard they try. So let's make this short, sweet, fun. And then I have a couple gift certificates to entice you with and mail out to you. Woo! New year and on the deck. So it comes with a nifty shaker bottle. Always need one of those. Can't go wrong. And it has 6 different main products that you can mix, and supposedly you can come up with 50 different flavors for your juice. The first one randomly that I'm pulling out is the Aloe Digest. We all know how hydrating aloe vera powder is, so that is awesome. What else we have here? The Biofruit. Let's see some of these ingredients. Cranberry extract, great, so that would help support the urinary tract system. There's apple, pomegranate, lemon, helps to alkalize. Organic pineapple, which has bromelain in it. That could aid in weight loss. And mango, blackberry, blueberry, all the antioxidants, resveratrol, etc. Ooh, some beetroot to support the central nervous system. Just beat it. Oh yeah, and goji berries, which is fantastic for your eye health. Ooh, cocoa hydrate. I mean, who doesn't love to just throw in some coconut flavor to their mix? The green spectrum lemon flavor. So that's got all of our greens. Some of the greens in here, the wheatgrass, the sea kelp, the chlorella, helps to detoxify heavy metals from the body. I see that all the time when I offer hair mineral analysis and we put them on a regimen to do so. Ooh, this one can be used as a pre-workout. The can't beat this. Fantastic. This has ginseng and eleuthero root yerba mate, so this would definitely be the boost. Moringa and whole coffee fruit extract. Yeah, that'll definitely speed up the metabolism there. And then Carrot Juice Plus. Just super yummy. That would probably give it a nice natural sweetness. Here's the bag you get. It is the juice bar in a bag. And I also ordered some extras, as one of my friends from Bama likes to say, the extras. I love their super amino formulation, so I take that every day as directed. And I got something now, this juice bar in a bag. My son, who just turned 4, is really into juices and smoothies. But I also got this for him, specifically the Immune Shield Herbal Supplement for Kids. And I put a couple of drops in his water before I send him off to school every day to just help it. It's mainly echinacea, elderberry, ooh, it has shiitake in it. So yeah, does what it says, shields the immune system. So if anybody else wants to get on the Juice Bar in a bag bandwagon with me, I only have a couple $50 gift certificates left. So I'd be happy to mail these out to you if you PM me your mailing address so we can get on the Juice Bar in a Bag bandwagon together. Smooches.